Hey y'all, today we're going to look at this Makita Model FD05 3/8" drill. It's a 12 volt drill and we're going to see what it's made of. Is this the I don't know if this is the brushless. Anyway, we're going to open it up and check it out, see what it's all about. Alright, I don't know if we're going to have to take the chuck off or not, but we do that in another video, so if you have to take the chuck off, you can see that in the other video. Anyway, let's start taking this thing apart. And we can see what it's made of, huh? I really should get one of those magnetic parts trays. Voila! There we go, magnetic parts tray. Had a trip to Harbor Freight earlier this week. Got a few things, including that little mini parts tray. That's a little 4" I also got me a 6". Mostly I'm just going to need the 4" for what I do. We want to get this drill apart and see what's inside. As a side note, we'll probably take apart the battery too. Let's see what that's made out of. Probably just 3 10-650s in there. I don't know if that's even big enough for that. But anyway, we'll see. I'm going to pop that open too. Now, let's see what we got here. Just going to let me open this without taking the chuck front face off. Yes. Yes, it is. Alright. So, we can see in this is PA6, glass filled, 30%. Pretty strong stuff. Pretty nice. Let's see. Let's move on. Alright. Let's see. Is this a brushless? Yeah, this is a brushless. I don't see any brushes. And this is the brains of the operation here. And the switch up top. That's mechanical. That's mechanically shifting the gears inside this gearbox here. This is the small motor here. See, it's a KC-A 629-168A9. I don't see a name brand on it, but I guess that's what the KCA is. And this is, like I said, this is a brushless motor. So what that means is the battery comes in at DC and it comes into this brain box switch here, and it changes it to AC. Then we got the gearbox, the clutch. I don't know if I want to take the clutch apart. Guess I could. Oops. Be careful, that little tab wants to come out right there. See it? The clicker. Okay, so now for reference, everybody, we're getting reference to where all the wires go, in case you have to fix one of these. Okay. And I don't know if I want to take out the whole gearbox thing apart. Really just wanted to get inside this to see what it was about. Yeah, Yeah, I don't think we're going to take it all the way apart here. Look, I already messed up this thing. Springs popped out. It should look like that. And this will go right on top. I guess one of the springs gets hooked into that loop there. That looks like a pain in the butt. I guess that's why the spring was hanging out. So I could hook it first and then slide it back in. Like that. That's in. Alright. Okay guys, that's about it. We're not going to take the gearbox apart, but I'm sure the motor just pops off. The gearbox, we don't want to take that all apart. That's just asking for trouble. And the chuck I take off in another video. So let's see if we can put this back together and how it fits any good. If it doesn't fit up top there, you might get something wrong. Let's see. There we go. If it doesn't pop in, you don't have it on right. See on the nice fitment there? No gaps. That's Makita quality for you. Let's screw her back together. Always spread your screws around. Don't just go to one side, and make sure you spread them around. Make sure your clutch ain't on too tight either. I had it on an 8 there. I think I'll move it down to 6. Shouldn't be that tight. I'm only screwing into plastic, remember. See that? That's good. Alright guys, it looks good. We got her back together. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This was just a video to see how the insides looked, so in case you got to put one back together yourself and you forgot how, you'll see the insides. Anyway, if somebody has any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'd love to answer them for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up if you thought this helped you. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one.